Hey,
Hi, good morning from Bangladesh.
hey, how you going?
Everything going fine. How are you going on?
Very good. How was Diwali?
Sorry?
Did you celebrate Diwali?
No. Diwali is
Is that a different?
different religion
Is it
occasion.
different side of India?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh, not India.
Ah, yes, yes, right.
But also sometimes we say a lot of people that Happy Diwali, something like that.
Ah, right.
Okay, so I'm going to the campaign window now directly. Okay, now our main goal is we need to run this campaign slowly. We must not reduce or increase the budget very frequently because the bidding strategy need at least 7 days to be optimized properly. And here, let's say this, not this month, we should say last 7 days.
Yeah, well, drop it down if we're just testing. Don't have it at $50 if we're just testing, because that's just gonna fucking waste way too much money. 7 times $50 is $350 on testing. If you drop it down to the bare minimum what we can test it on, 'cause that's just
Okay.
maybe $25 a day.
I was expecting at least some conversion, some lead form submit with this.
Yeah, what landing page have you got there? You've got the right landing page on there for
Let's check.
see, that's not the landing page. That's the home page. But, you should be going to that one there.
This one.
Yeah.
Intel or big part. Okay. Is the
Instead
part.
of cheap, instead of the word cheap as well, don't use the word cheapest solar battery.
Sorry.
You want it instead of using the word cheapest solar battery, so go down. Instead of the first word, cheapest solar battery, use cost effective. Capital E, and then yeah,
Mm.
effective. Yep, capital E. Yep.
Okay, so all these titles and description I have provided you in this
Mhm.
sheet.
Yeah, it was
And
just one. I just didn't notice that one.
this copy sheet.
Hmm. Yeah, I didn't really think about that one.
Okay, so if is there any update,
I did
I'm
read
going.
it. I just missed it. Yeah. Yeah. So you could do instead those keywords can stay the same.
Here will be same. Here will be the first
If the
effect.
keywords if the keywords are good, we just want to change the headline though. Just people might type in cheap, but they don't want to read cheap, so it's fine.
I think according to the keyword and headline, previous one was fine, but it's fine. Cost effective
Mhm.
solar battery. Okay, here also we can add another keyword that is cost effective solar battery.
Mm-hmm.
So all three things should be excluded, right?
Mm-hmm. Free is fine because it's free.
Quote compare, yeah, it's free. Okay, so this is for the codes. Let's go to the rebates. Okay, so right at this moment, I think we should not use a big budget. Also, should not use a very smaller budget.
Mm-hmm.
Now the campaign structure, most of the asset group. Let me check. Getting a good number of impression as well as okay impression. Where is the click? CTR, average, CPC. then post, then inclusion, location for interest, conversion rate. PTR 99%. If we go to the campaign level, then I see that there is 15% on average, so it is very fine. Now the things we will do is we will focus on a smart bidding now. That is fine. Then maximize conversion without any targeting system. Customer acquisition will be the same. Everything will be the same. Now let's go to the locations. Locations, your provided locations, I have updated them.
Thank you.
And language will be English. Is there any other language that people speak?
No.
Okay. So what what budget we can follow?
Yeah, just put in $30.
30.
Yep.
For the next 2 weeks, we will not change it if we do not get sufficient response.
What's that?
For the next 2 weeks, we will not change
Uh-huh.
this pricing.
Okay.
If the result is positive, then we will start increasing maximum 20%.
Okay.
Okay, now everything is fine and we need to wait and see the performance. So, if possible, please keep an eye in the campaign
Yeah, I look at it every day.
and groups and keywords and search terms. Right now, all the keyword is phrase mesh. Keyword should be phrase mesh right at this moment. But when we will get good number of conversion, then we can decide the mesh type. Especially
Okay.
if you now we are in the campaign level. I have not selected any group, and here we will see the search terms. What happened? Maybe they will ask me for the again verification. Okay. Synergy battery pricing. Is this relevant for us?
Yeah.
So 12 click, that means very hot keyword. We need that. So you come to this search terms area. This is the everyday task for the management for the next 7 days, and check them. It will be necessary for us add as a keyword, and there must be not exact match. We need to add them as a phrase match. Okay, thank you. Our
No worries.
audit and everything is completed, and we need to wait and see and keep an eye on the campaign performance.
Awesome. No worries. Thank you so much. I'll
Thank
catch
you.
up with you
Have,
in the
have a
next
great
week or two.
time. If you have any
You too.
question, or I think this is your noon time, right? So
This is
basically,
what, sorry?
this is your noon, afternoon or noon,
2:30.
middle time of the day, 2:30, 2:36, right? Okay, so it's my 10:36 a.m. So I usually woke up a little bit late, but I think your 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. is my proper time to have a communication meeting.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you very much. See ya.
Have a good time.
Bye.